Everything that's happening to you is God is processing you. Every difficult moment you're having, he just processing you. That's all he doing. Everything you're going through is preparing you for what you ask God for.
Batinda hlupheka bakhuluma iduwa ngami bakhuluma iduwa ngami bakhuluma iduwa ngami batinda hlupheka batinda hlupheka batinda hlupheka batinda hlupheka batandina mali batinda hlupheka batinda hlupheka batinda hlupheka kanibashaye phansi yabashaye phansi bafana mina I'm going in ngiyasebenza mina ngidlale wake up every day and try to change the life nindibheke kalibafana mina ngiyazenzela lokho I got the kids I'm grinding for angizanzodlala lana mina ngifuna kalana mina sacrifice a lot mfana ngize ngifike lana mina bekungekho lola mfana ngibhekile bafethu yabo since nje maniduzane nani nikhuluma indaba ezimnandi ngami mangekho busy ngikhuluma simba ngami angibhekile bafethu yabo angibhekile noma sanithanda angeni mbeke phansi ngagcina ngokukhuluma akubafana bancane kabi nikhuluma ikaka batinda hlupheka batandina mali kanibashaye ipali kanibashaye ipali ngiphilela ukubuka ngiphile ingane zami mina ngifuna bakhula njengamina abantu abaningi banaka indaba zabantu kodwa zabo baxakile bafuna umbone ngesolutho mina ngihluphekile batinda hlupheka batandina mali kanibashaye ipali kanibashaye ipali Simtshele bafethu solabthutha bafikayo ke lana-ke belolova ukuthi ufike lana-ke yabona imisebenzi enzima nani bafethu niyokhuluma amanye amajida nitholayo
Every kid never miss.
Kanibashaye ipali bana